Welcome to my channel. We are to simplify this expression here. It looks so complicated, but I'm going to break it down for you. Let's put down here solution. I bring the question down here, x to the power of 2 minus 9 divided by x to the power of 2 plus 5x plus 6 multiplied by x plus 2 divided by x minus 3. We are going to start here. In the numerator, we have x to the power of 2 minus 9. This can also be expressed as x to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 2 gives us 9. Then here, we are going to apply difference of two squares. Recall that if you have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2, but this is equivalent to a plus b into a minus b. Then we are going to apply the same principle here, and this expression becomes a to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of 2 equals x plus 3 into x minus 3. This is a simplified form of this expression in the numerator. Then in the denominator, we have x to the power of 2 plus 5 to the power of plus 5x plus 6. Down here, we are going to apply factorization here. Just come directly to this constant 6. Look for two possible factors of 6 such that when you multiply, you have plus 6. And when you add these two same factors, you have plus 5, which is the coefficient of x. And these factors are plus 2 and plus 3. Then now, after this, open two brackets like this. This is x squared, insert one x here and insert another one here. Then introduce each of these factors into each bracket. You can put plus 2 here and you can put plus 3 here. And this is the simplified form of this expression in the denominator. If you expand this, you get this exactly. Therefore, the expression becomes x plus 3 into x minus 3 divided by x plus 3 into x plus 2 multiply by into x plus 2 divided by x minus 3. At this point, we are going to cancel out variables that are like here. X minus 3 will cancel out 3, x minus 3, and x plus 2 will cancel out x plus 2. At the same time, x plus 3 will also cancel out x plus 3. Therefore, the whole expression becomes 1. And this is the answer. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.